Hello crocheters, welcome to Crochet with Shelby and Viola Joy Knits, and today I'm going to demonstrate what we went over in our class in lesson 1. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a slip knot, and how I make my slip knot is I basically wrap my index finger twice, and I cross that wrap over the first wrap. And then I take that second wrap and I drop it off my finger. Then I take my hook and I put that through, and there I have my slip knot. And now we're going to chain 10. So how do you chain? Yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through. And let's make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now remember, the front of the chain is going to look like sideways V's. So let's look at that. See the V's? Zoop, zoop, zoop. Now, if we turn this chain over, what we're going to see is there's actually a middle bar that's kind of bumping down each one of these V's. And that's important to know because in the next video, I'm going to show you how we're going to crochet our half double crochet stitch into those V's. So I'll see you in the next video.